Alright. We are officially on day 1 of Katherine Gorge, but maybe day 7. Nice boab tree there. Welcome back to the first long form Our Weekend Adventures episode. We've been on a bit of a mission for the last week, haven't we?
Yeah, a little mission.
Little mission. It's about 3,400 kilometres to travel from the Gold Coast through the centre of Australia all the way to the Northern Territory. We've spent the last 2.5 days at Bitter Springs, which is near Mataranka, and now we've arrived at Katherine Gorge. So hopefully we can...
So pretty already.
So pretty already, Talia says. So we're going for a walk. We just parked and found our camping spot for the next couple of nights. And what we're going to do is go inside, see what the plan is with...
some boat tours.
Boat tours. What else did you say you wanted to do?
Swimming, hiking.
Boat tours.
Maybe a canoe if we feel energetic.
Yeah, so hopefully this is going to be a little bit more scenic, and that'll last maybe 4 or 5 have actually just been me talking to the camera with not much of the backstory. So yeah, we're going to put it all together tonight, hopefully release it. Got to actually have good internet connection. Last couple of nights actually we were worried when we first pulled up because there was no view of the sky at all, and yeah, we didn't have any internet, so we ended up moving spots. We've got internet now. Well, we're at a totally different place. We had internet for a couple of days there, which is good, and so now we're here, Nitmiluk National Park Visitor Centre. So we'll go in here, have a chat with them, see what the deal is, and we'll come back shortly. Alright, so this is Nitmiluk National Park Gorge sector. We're going to try, I'm assuming, so we're here now, we're going to try to look for tours to get up to the gorge. At least that's the way we think it is. But we'll go inside and we'll find out. Alright, so we're on the...
A lookout.
Alright, first thing we're doing now is going to a lookout. So Katherine Gorge Lookout. It's called Baruwei or Baruwei or something like that. There's probably a better pronunciation for it. So what we'll do is we'll show you little bits and pieces along the way. Back to nature.
It's how hot is it? 35 degrees.
35. It's winter in the Northern Territory. Nice and cool. 35 degrees. Okay, boat tours, canoe hire, Baruwei Lookout.
Hiking.
So Baruwei Loop, Southern Trails. And then, by the looks of it, straight up this hill. So we're going to be puffing by the time we get to the top of this hill. It should be fun. And then down there is where by the looks of it, the actual tour launches from. So yeah, it should be really fun. Can't wait. Okay.
Speed hump.
First little hill. Wow. That was a quick heart rate improvement. First little downhill. Alright, look for this little pipe on the left is. I'm guessing it's plumbed up from the gorge. Ooh.
Okay, you keep going because I'm just going to take time.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that tree growing out.
Yeah, wow. And then the gorge with the
Wow.
water through there. Yeah.
Yeah, we stayed there for 3 days. The one closest to the springs, and it was beautiful. Like the toilets and showers were really nice. And you couldn't book though, could you? We'll just get one. Yeah, and the powered sites were nicer than unpowered. Because we went into the unpowered first. We'd already put the tent up for a couple of hours and then went, Yes. How nice is it here? Like, so beautiful. Amazing. Can't wait for tomorrow to hop on a boat.
Yep.
Probably cooler.
Yeah.
You can't miss it. Come on. How nice. This looks too nice. Photo. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, I reckon we go back, sit down.
Oh, I'm glad they told us to go this way.
Me too. Oh, I'm so glad we came through.
Just looks like the Tweed River.
Doesn't it?
Alright, well that was a nice quick little walk, which was 1.8 kilometres return. Back to the park now, up this way I think, babe.
Yeah, that's a boat.
And then we'll chill out for the afternoon and then get ready for some adventures tomorrow. So see you on our next episode.